Do you love your phone more than life itself? But tired of the judgmental looks you get from those around you? Making you feel bad about yourself? With Easter just around the corner, grab an extra stuffed animal. Next, you'll need a razor blade. Start cutting along the upper torso of the bunny. Be sure to cut firm enough to cut through the outer layer of the bunny, but not firm enough to cut through to your hand. Next, cut a 6 to 8 inch incision down the center of the bunny. Grab your cell phone that strangers are making you feel bad for using it in public. Insert into the center of the bunny. And you've got your perfectly camouflaged cell phone ready to take out in public. Now, with a little preparation, those judgmental looks turn to them almost falling in love with you because they're so impressed with you having a stuffed animal in public. Little do they know you just liked your own photo on Instagram. Next, live in a cold climate? Tired of not being able to control your phone with gloves on? Just keep a small 12-inch square of aluminum foil in your pocket, wrap your finger, being sure not to leave any gaps of air. Mold and style the excess aluminum foil however you like. Now you're able to keep your hands warm and play on your phone. And look good at the same time. Has your phone stopped making you happy? Are you tired of its dull, drab appearance? I've got just the fix for you. Simply lay your phone on the table. You'll want to go to your nearest hardware store, buy the brightest color of paint you can, pour over the entire back surface of your phone. You'll take that extra aluminum foil from keeping your hands warm and let those creative juices kick in. You can paint, splotch, and decorate however you like. Don't hold back, it's your phone and it needs to make you happy. You'll find with the new bright colors, your phone once again makes you happy, the way it should. Are you worried about the paint damaging your phone? Grab a Ziploc bag out of the kitchen, place your phone inside of it, seal the top, place on a flat surface. Grab your 2 favorite colors, pour over the entire backside of your phone, and let the decorating begin. Now this is your chance to be creative. Let's get it right the first time. Remember, if you have to do it twice, that's just longer you are without your phone. Spending time outside with thick winter gloves on, but don't have aluminum foil? Not to worry, all you need is a AA battery and some duct tape. Simply place on the tip of your forefinger, wrap around 3 to 12 times. Now you might find with just one battery you can't get enough power. At this point you can use your nose, but I wouldn't recommend it. I would recommend repeating the process, placing batteries on the other 4 fingers. With the power of 4 batteries combined, you'll find you're able to use your phone like normal. Once again, bringing joy to your life. Are you finding it hard to impress your kids anymore? Find that no matter what you do, they're just not impressed? Have you even tried juggling oranges for them? And they're still not impressed with you? Even gone so far as to walk on your hands? If this sounds a little too familiar, I've got the fix for you. If you've got a cell phone and a finger, simply turn on the flashlight and place your finger over the flashlight. You'll find that once again you're able to impress your kids. They'll spend hours with your phone watching their finger glow. Thanks, Dad. Do you find it a hassle to play with your kids and look at your phone at the same time? Are your kids constantly trying to steal your phone? Fortunately, we've got a way for you to do both. All you'll need is a baseball cap, a GoPro clip mount, and a phone tripod mount. Simply clip them onto the front of your hat, place your cell phone, and next time you'll be prepared to watch your phone while fulfilling your household duties. You might find the screen a little close to your face, but don't worry, you'll get used to it. Your children will love all the extra quality time they get to spend with you. You'll even find if you have a big enough nose, you're able to touch the screen with the tip of your nose, scrolling through your favorite apps. Are you discouraged you don't have one of those fancy Bluetooth headsets? Is your arm tired of holding your phone? Are you feeling like if you had just worked a little harder, you could afford one? Well, don't work harder, work smarter. I've got a fix for you. All you'll need is a roll of duct tape, cut a piece 3 to 6 feet long, place your phone in your favorite talking position, and secure to your head. No more tired arms and no more feeling bad about yourself. You might even find you're able to make your loved ones jealous. When you tell them they can't have one, you can feel good about yourself knowing you have something that they don't have.
I love you.